Hello, today on DIY with Chris. We're doing a product review for the Black & Decker Adjustable Jigsaw. The list price for this item was $71.34. We purchased it at Lowe's for $34.97. The description for this product is found on the DIY with Chris template, which is located at the end of this video. Some of the product specifications we had on this, as recorded, were the length of 13.1 inches, the width of 4.9 inches, height of 9.7, and the weight of 5.8 pounds. The color is the Black & Decker standard. Ratings for this product that we found, we searched on Amazon and found 4.5 star rating over 665 reviews. Lowe's shows a 4.4 star rating from 88 reviews, and Home Depot shows a 3.5 star rating from 2 reviews. The contents for this product are, it does include the actual jigsaw itself and one blade. There are no instructions other than how to replace the blade in it and whatnot. It is just a regular product. The delivery we cannot speak on as we did pick it up in store. You can see a couple clips of the product in use. If you have any questions, please let me know. Also watch for our 1-year review of this product. You can see the link here. We're doing a product orientation for the Black & Decker Adjustable Jigsaw. Some of the points that I had brought up on this tool earlier were right here you do have your surface selection system, so you can check between the metal, PVC, different types of wood, and then if you're also going to be doing just straight cuts, or if you're doing angles, or if you're going to be back and forth. So that is your selection system, makes it very easy to go across multiple surfaces. Other portion I had is it is adjustable. This base is adjustable. All you have to do is pull up this lever right here. So you just pull this right out, and then you adjust your base system and put it back into place, and that locks it. Right here you do have the window, and that's going to show your actual level or your degrees for your base. And so one of the cons that I had listed was just that with this thing, because it does have a line going right through the number, so if I put the arrows right on that line, it's not actually a true zero cut. When I have done that, I've noticed that the cut was not completely on zero. So where I have it sitting at right now, just off of those lines, is the 0-degree angle. Another really big benefit to this system was that it does have the saw blade storage. So I usually keep in here, I have a metal blade, a wood blade, and then a quick wood blade, so with the bigger teeth on it and everything. So I can fit the 3 blades in here. So I keep them in there during storage. Now when I'm done with the storage, all you have to do is no tool installation for the blade system. So if you just see right here, all I have to do is pull up on this one piece. I'm going to slide my blade right in here, and you'll see on the blade it has these divots right here, and that's where it's going to catch on it. So there is the guide wheel right here. So I'm going to slide that on the guide wheel. I pull up on this lever, and I'm going to slide it all the way up till it can't go any further. And then I can, I just drop that guide, and that's going to keep it into place. So now I can't pull it out, so I'm going to wiggle this back and forth just to double check and make sure that it is in place, and then you can go ahead and start actually using it at that point. So it's a very easy system, no tool blade change system. Another thing that's nice about this is that it does have the actual trigger lock system. So if I pull in the trigger right here and push this button, it will lock it into place for long cuts or for long duration cuts. So if I'm doing a lot of swivels and stuff, then a lot of the time I am going to lock that in place. That way I can put both hands up here out of the way without having to hold the trigger, and then I'm going to be able to do my angular cuts and curves and whatnot. So that's the review for this. Just stay tuned here in a bit, and then you can see an actual little video clip of us using this tool. DIY with Chris, giving you the tools to do it yourself. DIY with Chris, giving you the tools to do it yourself.